Traders, welcome to the Warrior Trading Channel. Today use the Donchain Channel indicator in this video. How to use the indicator to achieve the goals to enhance your capital. Before start trading, navigate to the indicator section and select the profitable indicator. In this video we select the period 22 for trading. The Donchian Channel is an indicator used in market trading developed by Richard Donchian. It is formed by taking the highest high and the lowest low of the last n periods. The area between the high and the low is the channel for the period CHAS. A Donchian channel is a technical analysis indicator based on price action that is used to identify the high and low range of an asset over a specified time frame. It consists of three lines: an upper boundary, a lower boundary, and a middle line, which represents the average of the high and low boundaries. Most traders will wait for the price of the asset to break above the channel to go long or below the channel to go short. That's the basic trading strategy for Donchian channels. The channels can also go well with other moving average indicators in a crossover strategy. If a price is stable, the Donchian channel will be relatively narrow. If the price fluctuates a lot, the Donchian channel will be wider. Its primary use, however, is for providing signals for long, is established. If it trades below its lowest end period's low, then a short is established. Like, subscribe our channel more the educational videos. If you are interested to make profit daily, join my Telegram channel for signals. You can find the link in the description. Where you can receive 5 to 10 signals daily, where you can observe my experience about trading. You will be shocked to see the accuracy of signals more than 90% if you join my Telegram channel. With my experience you can earn too. Thanks for watching. Hit to subscribe the channel for more videos and effective trading strategies. See you in the next video.